Okay, so now I'll start over. This is a cook I'm doing on this grill, Norman, or whomever. And it's a little expert grill that I bought. Has your thermometer up there. You can see on this side, I'll open this up a little bit on this side to pull smoke across to the other side over here, and you leave it open on the top and closed on the bottom. So that way the heat will go indirect, and you see it's already starting to rise right here. So I wanted to do this to show you my little cook, and this is how many little small chops. You can see by my hand, they're not bigger than they're probably about as big as my hand is wide. They're not very big, but they're the thin ones. Don't want to overcook them, but it'll be a quick cook. But down here I got my pan, my grease pan, to catch grease coming off these chops or chicken or anything else that I'm cooking. And then I would put like cabbage or something like that, or onions and peppers on top up here while I'm cooking, you know, on the indirect side too, not on the direct side, but you can see. And then this one of course has the roller to roll up or down your coals to get them away from your food to cook it slower or faster. So I really like that option. And then it's got the little side thing here, and then right here it's got the hooks I told you about, the wheels and the basket on the bottom, so you can put stuff, you know. And per se, you know, you can put your charcoal underneath there. That's kind of a normal bag of charcoal you can put underneath there, you know. You could even lay it down flat, whatever, however. But anyway, so that's the expert grill. It's even got a bottle opener right here. We didn't know what that was for, right? But all right, anyway, I'm just showing you a cook I'm doing on this expert grill, and it does a pretty good job. You know, I seasoned all my chops down, waited. They're probably not quite ready to turn yet, but pretty close. So you can tell by this short deal I got. These are probably about 5 or 6 inches long, these chops, and they're pretty thin. It's for a quick cook. They're probably 1/2 inch thick. But all right, anyway, so this is my little experiment for you, so that way maybe you'll want one. Then you close it up. You can see about how wide it is, you know, by my hand. This is a 8-inch tong, so 8, you know, it says 24-inch grill, so 7, 21, whatever, but it's 24 inches of space. But so you could probably get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, at least a dozen burgers on there, good sized burgers, or 8 really giant burgers. So it gives you an idea. Or you get 4, 5, 6, say 6 pork chops like that, 6 small chops, and then 4 big burgers or 6 medium-sized burgers. All right, and of course you got to watch out how long you have it open for, or it'll take your heat. But I need them to cook really slow anyway. So all right, that's my video, Norm.